Being in the African American Health Program, I benefited the most, I believe, from the, which I didn't talk about earlier, the one-on-one sessions with, at that time, I was with Regina Barnes under the weight management program. And I think working with her and having, really just that one-on-one account, I call her accountability coach, of actually, checking to make sure things are going well, weekly having conversations and suggestions about how to make things better, lifestyle wise, and understanding, helping me to understand these small, incremental changes and small weight loss definitely, add up in the long run. So things I've been trying for years never worked, but since I've worked with Regina, definitely has continually declined and not, came back, or not going the other way, starting to gain weight back. So I think with that weight loss, I think is a bigger factor of causing the A1C to come down and allow me to, definitely have a larger impact on making my lifestyle better. That's my first. Okay, I can name them in three. So working with Regina is number one. Number two would be Zumba / yoga, also my favorites, and also learning different recipes and cooking techniques and reasons to go more vegan from Robina's classes are very interesting. Can't always say I'm ready to go full-fledged vegan like Robina, but I've learned and we've implemented, every week at least one full day of fully meatless Mondays, and my whole family's gone through and accepted that, and it's gone really well. And we continue to, increase and making, more positive lifestyle changes. I made and surprised. I think what surprised me the most of what I liked more when I made the chocolate mousse using tofu, which nobody, including me in my house, thought at all it would be at all good, and it was really enjoyable. And to the point that my husband and I even started thinking about ways we could take that and put some variety to it and make other desserts using the tofu instead of the old-fashioned way of adding more sugar and fat and such. So I think that's the most, for me, startling recipe, but I do have a couple others that I've tried that were good, but that's the only one that's like, wow, this is like really good. So yoga is great on Wednesdays at 10 o'clock a.m. with Dr. Kelsey Ball. Really, I've done yoga before, and I hate to say when I did it before, I would always fall asleep, but her classes are really engaging, and she gets, explains not only doing the move, but the purpose of the move and how it helps you not only physically, but also mentally, relieves that stress and help, increase strength, core muscles, and, muscle flexibility. So it's been a really enjoyable class, and I've been pushing for it to go from 30 minutes to 45 minutes so we can now have more of that. So yoga I really enjoy. So when I've worked with the staff, the only ones I've had more direct, one-on-one is with Regina, and especially it was great working with her when she, even the concept of starting the walks. And since I'm a part of a Montgomery Explorers walking club in Montgomery County, so I knew of different walking trails that would be good for the group to try out. So she and I would have, conversations and, go check out different places to see if it's a good place for the group to walk. So working with Regina with that, and then just overall, information. She's helped with my sons of trying to get other information to help them with school and with, trying to understand for the Fit Men's program. I forget the name of it. But she was able to get some information for me to pass on to my sons for them to get more involved and active, and not just have to hear mom talking about what they should do. So she was really useful, really helpful for that. And also a lot of working with Nurse Barry. She's always very smiling and friendly and very open to helping whenever you have a question or, and just general information. And I must add in Dr. Richburg, all of her education sessions are always very informative, and you always feel more open and inclined to ask questions. You never feel like you're going to be ridiculed for asking a question. There's never, a crazy question, and she's really open and, willing to get everyone to better understand what goes on within our bodies and the medicines that we take and what we need to do to make ourselves healthier. being healthier has helped me to get that, be the better model for my family of, doing my son was exercising, but it'd be half-heartedly. But once he sees, the impact and the reasons and what I'm learning here through the AHP program, and I pass on to my immediate family and to my relatives, my aunts and uncles, has definitely helped them to kind of open their eyes and realize, little lifestyle changes can make a difference. You don't have to go, all the way far to the far right and you decide you're going to be a full-fledged vegan tomorrow, but just making little changes of reducing the meat and the sugar and the salt can definitely make a difference.